exercises that we're going to go through in order for us to learn more about how to solve a system of equations by substitution. In number 1, we have y equals to 7x minus 10 and y equals to minus 3. They already gave you y equals to a number, therefore you can replace it directly here, and you can write minus 3 equals 7x minus 10. X is on one side, numbers on the other. When you move the minus 10 to the other side, you have to change its sign. So here you have x is equal to 7 over 7, so x is equal to 1. So the result or the solution for this system is x is 1, y is minus 3. From where did I get y minus 3? They already gave us the value for y, so it's easy for me to find x, and then you replace or you write the x and the y of the point of intersection of these two lines. So let us have a quick reminder that this is an equation of a line because it can be written as y equals ax plus b, and this is also an equation of a line which is parallel to the x-axis. And when these two lines meet, they are going to meet at this point of x, whose x is 1 and y is minus 3. So this is the algebraic work or the algebraic interpretation of the solution of the system. And when you say that these two are lines, when you express that these two are lines and that this is the point of intersection, therefore you are expressing it in the graphical form. In number 2, we have y equals minus 8. So replace minus 8 in the second equation. So minus 8 is equal to minus 2x minus 12. X is on one side, numbers on the other. While you're moving the numbers, you have to change their sign. Therefore, minus 8 plus 12. X is equal to plus 4 over minus 2. So this is minus 2. So the solution for this system is minus 2 for x and minus 8. Number 3, we have 6x is equal to 5x plus 7. So 1x is equal to 7. So then the points are, so 1x is equal to 7. Then we take the x and replace it in the first equation. So y is equal to 6 times 7, which is equal to 42. So my first value, which is x, is 7 and the y is 2. In this one here, you have 9 equals to 9x minus 9. So 18 is equal to 9x. X is equal to 2. So the value of the solution, it's 2 and 9. Number 5, 4 minus 4 is equal to x minus 8. So x is equal to minus 4 plus 8. So x is equal to 4. So the solution is going to be 4 and minus 4. Let us take this number and graph it so that you will understand what do I mean by the solution graphically, finding the solution of these two equations, yani finding the solution for the system graphically. In order to graph a line, you need to find, or you need to establish, the t-table. So you have x and y. You take when x is 0, y is minus 8, and when y is 0, x is 8. You draw your y-axis and your x-axis. You take the unit measures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, minus 9, and you start when x is 0, start graphing the line. When x is 0, y is minus 8. When y is 0, x is plus 8, and you draw your line. So this is your first line, whose equation y equals x minus 8. We still have the first line, which is y equals minus 4. This is the line that is parallel to the x-axis, and it intersects the y-axis at minus 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your second line, y equals minus 4. Where they meet is the solution for the system. And roughly we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the x of the point. So let's call it A. The x of the point is 4. And the y of the point, since it belongs to this line, y equals minus 4, it has its y is minus 4. So this is how we find the solution of the system graphically, by drawing the two lines and finding their point of intersection. And this is how we find it using algebra, by solving the system in the methods that we learned, either substitution or elimination. Let's use algebra to solve number 7. So minus 8x, we replace this value here, is equal to 6x minus 14, and x is on one side, numbers on the other. So minus 14x is equal to minus 14, therefore x is equal to 1. Now you take x and you replace it. Y is equal to minus 8x. So this is equal to minus 8 times 1. So y is equal to minus 8. So our solution is 1 minus 8.